Yo, this is not a drill, this is not a drill, this is not a drill. If you are a music artist and you have 10 minutes, this may have just replaced your videographer. Your content team, I mean, this is next level. What if we can make a music video with the AI tool? This is fire, let's see how it goes. So this website's gonna be perfect for those of y'all who wanna make funny Instagram viral videos. Now this is viral. So you know them TikTok pages like these here. These are the websites that have just cartoons, music videos, and they have voiceovers. The audio is what gets the plays. The audio is what's viral. That's the same thing with this website with Freebeat. They snapped. All right, so the website is Freebeat.AI. Bro, turn music videos and ideas into viral videos in one click. Look at the examples they playing on the screen, bro. This is fire and they generated it. And these are some of the companies they work with. VO, Pika, Kling AI, and you can see who it's perfect for. So look at these examples they got right here, bro. It's super dope effects, like the music videos. AI is next level, whether we like it or not. So let's start using this. Bro, it's this simple. You literally drop the link, press make free videos. This is how I'm living or something like that. We're gonna see how it does. Then we're gonna make a video live here for one of the Migos songs. Let's see what happens. Nigga, no. Oh my God. Oh my, bro, this is fire. This is fire. No bias shit, no funny shit. Listen to me. This is fire. What? I literally said the only prompt I typed in was make a awesome video. Let me show you how to make one. Watch this. All right, y'all, when you get into this screen, it is so simple. I do not want to stress how simple this is enough, bro. Literally, you click right here, music video. Now, what we need to do is click our character. You can set up your settings, but first let's get the song. So let's go to add music. All right, so what I did is I had to go grab the Migos song, Hotel Lobby. Let's see how they can make a video for us. So you go right here and it tells you all the websites that are supported. Spotify, SoundCloud, YouTube, Suno, TikTok. Bro, pretty soon videographers might damn near be obsolete, bro, or a videographer is going to be able to use this software to get his or her customer the best product. Let's continue. We go here, we simply paste the link, we press enter. Now, that's gonna go ahead and cook up and find all the information about the song. What we need to do is find the character. You can get a man or a woman, let's get a man. Last time I did Pikachu, that was fire. So let's see what we got. So the choices are seagulls, there's a Mario one, there's a chill rapper, a street dancer, a black queen, SpongeBob. I did a SpongeBob one, I'm gonna show y'all that in a second. We got the mermaid. Let's go Mario. Let's see how Mario giving it up. So we go to click who you want as your character, and then we press confirm. Boom, so the character selected. We want to let's do this so we can post it on Instagram. Boom. So 9:16. No, I gotta go HD, 1080p. And if you have the lyrics, you can upload your lyrics right here. Super seamless, simple. I'm gonna say, this is the prompt you type in. I said, make me an awesome rap video. Okay, perfect. Now, once your song has been uploaded, you see everything is loaded and the whole song is here. You're gonna drag it to what 15-second segment you want. You can change the duration right here. You want 30 seconds. You gotta get the upgraded plan to get to 30 seconds, but let's keep it at 15 seconds so we can generate this quickly. Now we're gonna play some of the song. I'm only going to play a couple snippets so we don't get copyrighted on this to see which part of the song do we want. Okay, so now when we have the part of the video we want, we simply can press create. And it's gonna start working. Now, one thing you can do is look at all of these different music videos it's made. To be honest with y'all, I'm gonna start a music video page and I'm gonna just make music videos. Y'all heard it here first. Because y'all know attention is everything and these AI videos have been going brazy. So imagine if you broke, you don't have no money, or even if you do have a couple dollars, you wanna earn more, you can literally make these videos for companies, make commercials for them, jingles. You can make music videos, rap videos. If you go to a bar or club, you can hit up the person singing and be like, yo, I can make a music video for you. Give me a link to your songs. I'll make it on the spot. And just like that, you turn it into a bag. All right, so as you see, the AI is cooking. It's literally communicating with itself. So you see the reasoning processes, all of these different things, step by step. So what I'm gonna do is just let this do its thing. And I'm gonna play this a little fast forward so you guys can see the process of it just talking to itself. I'm literally probably not gonna press anything. And if you did want to communicate, you can type in here anything you want right here and it'll listen to your commands. And I just want to point out, I don't know if y'all ever purchased a music video before, but videographers sometimes can tax you. But this right here is tracking each of the characters placed in the video, the cartoons, the style of video. So it's doing a lot of things that a normal human would charge you a ton for. And it's literally going to do all this in under 10 minutes. And so while that cooks, let me show you guys a video I made for one of my songs. So I told this to make me a music video. As you've seen, I typed the same thing, make me a cool music video. and this is the video it gave me. I'm gonna show this on the screen now so you can check this out.
Specific, feeling like I'm Giannis, put some bucks in it, put my all in it. If I'm gon' get it, no, I'm gon' spend it. Be a millionaire, Lord willing, I'ma see it till it's finished, gang. Used to be in Philly, walking down these blocks. Bad bitches all up on my heels like flip-flops. They would only like you on Instagram or TikTok, but I get it.
So you see, that was fire. Obviously, it can use some edits. I can add lyrics. I can update it if I want to. I can change things about it. But literally, for me just sitting here for 5 minutes and watching this make a snippet that I could post on TikTok and go viral possibly, or Instagram, is amazing to me, bro. The AI in the world will never be the same again. Okay, so y'all see right here, it said an error. There was some sort of error, right? So y'all see the scenes and everything. It says error. I'm just gonna press retry. And just like that, it fixed itself. Y'all seeing it in real time, fix itself. So that's how smart this AI is. You see, 0 out of 1, 0 out of 1, and then it literally generated on its own. So I'm gonna continue to let this sit here and cook, but I just wanted to show you how this is literally reasoning with itself. And just like that, it's generating the videos, video 1, 2, 3, and 4. Actually, there's more than that. There's 6 videos it's generating at once. And the reason it says 6 videos generated is because it has 6 different scenes. So remember all of those pictures we saw? Each of those was turned into a video. And the agent just keeps cooking, bro. Keeps cooking, keeps cooking. And it tells you here, if you notice that these little dots, these green dots stop showing up, that means the agent stopped working. So all you really have to do is press reconnect again, and it'll literally connect and start working. No breaks, no days off. Bro, we're literally sitting here making an entire music video using words, just links. It's incredible. All right, so the moment we've been waiting for is that the music video is done for Hotel Lobby. Let's see what it comes out with, and we're gonna rank this on the scale of 1 to 10. Let's see how fire it is. 10 is a banger, and it's ready for Instagram, and 1 is cheeks. Let's see. Okay, gonna mean no fun. Hey, yes, it is 9 out of 10, I would say. I will make 1 or 2 tweaks, and then I would say it's ready for Instagram. This is next level. Oh, and as always, if you want this tool, I will have everything you need in the description. Trust me, you need to click this now. Your cousin's a rapper. I know Quan, Tisha, everybody's a rapper. Girls, guys, everybody raps, everybody makes music. This is a way to make your videos with a click. You don't need a cameraman or a videographer. Like, subscribe. Thank you, Freebeat.AI. You did.